Your heart rate instantly spikes the very second the red and blue lights reflect in your rearview mirror. In the first 60 seconds of that encounter, the average driver unknowingly waives their constitutional rights, simply because they don't have a plan. We'll walk through a 4-step communication protocol designed to protect you legally and physically. To be clear, this is constitutional education based on United States law, not direct legal advice. Memorizing this protocol shifts the power dynamic of a traffic stop. You move from fear and compliance to legal preparedness. Step 1. When you pull over, roll your window down partially and keep your hands completely visible on the steering wheel. You have a legal obligation to hand over exactly 3 documents: your driver's license, your vehicle registration, and your proof of insurance. The officer will almost certainly ask, "Do you know why I pulled you over?" Do not answer that question. Answering it shifts the burden of proof directly onto you. A simple apology or a guess at your speed is a free confession that nullifies your Fifth Amendment protections. You are required to cooperate physically with law enforcement. You are not legally required to cooperate with your own self-incrimination. Step 2. You need to invoke your rights using an exact phrase. Memorize and say, "I am exercising my right to remain silent." State it calmly, exactly once. If the officer continues questioning you, repeat the exact same phrase. On this Miranda card, point 1 establishes your right, but the refused signature box proves that under Miranda, simply staying silent fails the constitutional test. You must actively assert your rights using spoken words to activate a legally binding constitutional shield around yourself. Step 3. Immediately after handing over your documents and invoking your silence, ask one specific question: Am I free to leave? The Fourth Amendment dictates that an officer cannot detain you longer than is objectively reasonable to conduct the traffic stop. This creates a strict decision tree. If the officer says yes, carefully drive away. If they say no, immediately ask, "What am I being detained for?" This legal text outlines Title 42, U.S. Code, Section 1983. As the highlighted Paula plaintiff example details, this is the federal civil rights statute used to sue state and local officials for compensatory damages after an unlawful detention or the use of excessive force. Officers routinely rely on a defense called qualified immunity to block these lawsuits. However, forcing the officer to articulate their exact reasoning on their body camera locks in the factual record you need to defeat that immunity. Asking this final question transforms the officer's body camera from a tool used to prosecute you into a primary piece of evidence in a civil claim. Here is the checklist. Hand over your 3 documents. State that you are exercising your right to remain silent. Ask if you are free to leave. Following these steps ensures you do not accidentally waive your constitutional protections while under the pressure of a stop. Your rights only protect you if you actively assert them. Share this protocol with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more legal breakdowns.